Hi everyone, it's Z here. I bought a Raspberry Pi recently and I just made my first super low-tech project and I thought it'd be fun to share it with everyone. So it's not extremely high-tech, but it is a Morse Code Generator where how it works is it uses a script to determine how long the button is pressed and plays a beep to represent long and short presses and converts it into Morse code. Probably best if I just show you how it works. So let's hit run. And when you end the program, there's a translation. So nothing too fancy, and as you can tell, it's not the most responsive, but I thought it'd be something fun that I wanted to share with everyone. Bye.